Decatur Middle School students, families, teachers. I hope that you're all doing well. This is Ms. Shields here, and today I'm going to walk you through on my screen how to join or set up your own Google Meeting. So here we are on my Google homepage, and I'm going to go to this waffle menu, click, and scroll down until I see the Meet icon. So this is a way that you can either start your own meeting if you're hosting or join if you have been sent a code. You can also, instead of using the icon, you can go to meet.google.com in your web browser, press enter, and it's going to take you to that same homepage as well. Now, in most cases, you will receive an email invitation that will take you straight to that Meet. So what you can do is go to your inbox, and for instance, I have a link to Mr. Bergeson's Google Meeting today. I'm going to click on that link, and it will take me straight into my Google Meeting. So from here, once you have either gone to Meet and clicked Join a Meeting, or if you have used that email link to go directly into your meeting, you're going to click Join Now. Now, quickly before we click Join Now, we're going to set up our microphone and our camera. So typically, if you're in a meeting, you want to start with your microphone off, just because if a lot of people join that meeting at one time, you're going to get sounds from everyone all at once, and whoever has a sound presenting at that time will take precedence, and so you may miss something that's being said if you have background noise. Also, you can turn on your camera, turn off your camera. If you turn off your camera, whatever your Google icon is will be displayed. So here I have the letter A for my first name, and that will be what is shared with everyone in the Google Meet. Or I can leave my camera on. Right here with these three dots, we have more options. You can turn on captions, which will just give you a typed out synopsis of what is being said, and then you can report a problem, get help, or go into more settings. All right. So if you have any questions, parents, students, teachers, about joining a Google Meet, feel free to email me. My email is aubrey.shields@dcs.edu. I will also put that at the end of this video. That way you can email me with any questions you have. I'm happy to help. If you aren't able to get signed in, or just have a glitch and would like some help, feel free to email me. And another cool feature, I actually used this yesterday, was Google Meet on your phone. So if you have your email on your phone and you receive a Google Meet invitation, you can go to that email and click the link just like you did here. This will be on your phone. You'll just click on it like you do, and it will prompt you to download the Google Meet app. It's free. You can download it. And then you go back to that email after you've downloaded the app, click on link to Google Meeting again, or whatever link has been shared with you by the meeting host, and it will open that meeting directly in the Google Meet app on your iPhone, Android, whatever you use. And then you can do the exact same thing you see here. This will be displayed on your phone. You can use your camera, your microphone, whatever you wish, and you can just use your phone if you need to do that. Now we're going to get into how to set up your own Google Meeting. So this will be primarily for teachers, but if everyone else would like to continue watching, students, you may want to do Google Meetings with your classmates. Parents, you may want to set up your own Google Meeting to talk to anyone, really. This is a valuable tool outside of education in this time where we are self-isolated. This is a way that we can connect. Okay, in the second half of this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your own Google Meeting. So you can go back to your waffle menu, back to the Meet icon, and start a meeting from here. The simplest way, and the way that we are probably most accustomed to as people who use Google Calendar, would be to go to your calendar. Okay. You're going to click on a day that you may want to set up a meeting. So tomorrow. And I like to go to more options because that just gives me more flexibility to do everything within one screen. So Shields meeting. I'm going to find a time. So tomorrow at 3, and it will automatically set for 1 hour. Okay. Back to my event. I'm not going to add a location because we are going to meet digitally, but what I am going to do is add conferencing. In your drop-down menu, you will already have Hangouts Meet. Just going to click that. It will automatically generate you a code. So you can either add guests from here, which will send them an email. Okay, so I can add whoever, just type in their email address, type in their name, and it will automatically pull them up, and I can add them. So in this instance, I would just click on Ms. Smith, and she would be added to the email list that will go out with this specific meeting link. So when she gets our email, it will come through and it will say, you have been invited to a Google meeting hosted by Aubrey Shields, and it will have a link. She can click on that and it will take her to either the meeting on her computer screen, or if she wants to use her cell phone, she can click on that link and it will open the Google Meet app, and it will take her right to my meeting. She can set up her microphone and her camera from there. Now, after I finish this, everything looks good. I have a time. I have a conference link. I can save. And then it gives me an option to either send this email to the guest I have added or not. You're going to click send, but right now I'm not, because if I do, Ms. Smith will get my meeting invitation and it's not real. So don't send, but it has saved. So here's my meeting set up at 3 p.m. tomorrow. Okay. And it will appear the same in my guest calendar. So they can click on this and they can either join from here or they can join by phone. Okay. Now what you can do as well is copy this link, go to your email. I'm just going to send it to myself, type in whatever subject I would like to, and then you can either directly paste that there as a link, or you can hyperlink, which is going to allow you to put Shields meeting, and then you will just paste your URL there and click OK. And then my link will automatically go to the meeting that I set up. So whatever text you like to display, web address, perfect. And then I will have a hyperlink. So when your guests get this email, they'll be able to click on Google Meet and it will take them straight into your meeting, which is where you're able to set up your camera, your microphone, and then join now. So if you have any questions, have a problem connecting, whatever it may be, whatever you may need to do, please feel free to email me, aubrey.shields@dcs.edu. I will also type that out at the end of this video. That way you can see that. Feel free to email me about anything, of course, beyond Google Meet, but also if you need help, particularly with this application, I would be happy to help at any time. Students, this is a good tool to use to talk to one another. If you would like to connect to your classmates, this is one way you can do it. Parents, it's the same for you. So I hope this helped. And again, if you have any other questions, if I need to clarify something more, if I can help you in any way with anything, please don't hesitate to email me.